This is the Wizard News. The city and county have jointly launched a new free resource for individuals who need health or social services support. 211 Metro Chicago. Now available via phone, text, or web chat, 211 Metro Chicago is a database search for all Cook County residents. The program is completely free to connect residents of Cook County with a variety of resources such as food, housing, utility payment assistance, and other free to low-cost health and social services. The resource categories include food, housing, utility assistance, childcare, disability services, senior services, education, employment, health care, immigration, legal assistance, substance use, tax preparation, transportation, veteran services, youth programs. People on the other side of the 211 line speak both English and Spanish. Organizers say in the near future they hope to add more languages as well. Visit 211metrochicago.org to learn more or to be connected with resources via web chat and web search. Dial 211 to speak with a local resource navigator on the phone. To connect with 211 Metro Chicago via text message, text your zip code to 898211. The line is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and can be accessed online. This number does not replace 911 or 311. Source: WGN9 TV, January 23rd, 2023.